Maddie and I are at Lark Reserve. So I've not been here. I think Maddie's around here somewhere. And we're going to go and explore. Okay, it's on.
Okay, and Shaz is going to be going through. Oh!
Now what?
Are you able to back up a little bit? Keep going, keep going. I want to see if this gets around you. No. Wow. Not accessible, is it?
Well, so far it was a failure because we can't get through the cattle gate thing. So we're going to try and find another spot to see if it works. But yeah, council, you need to do better entry for us wheelies on that one. Stay tuned. Well, Maddie found another spot and we're at the trail. So I'm going to hand the camera over and then we'll see what happens. You got?
Yeah.
So,
Get in. Push. At the same time. Oh. And then we made it in. Yay!
okay.
We made it to the other side.
There goes Maddie. You've just seen that. Yes, you can come through in a wheelchair, but just keep an eye on the thing, because if you find being jostled too much, might not be a good idea to do. But so far, it's not bad. We were going up or down?
Go up a little bit from there and then go back down.
Oh, we're going to go look at the view up here. And so, wow.
Gonna get over the step.
So this is, I'll lift you up so you can have a nosy, guys. So,
There's a little bridge over there too.
ooh, looks like something needs to be explored. Stay tuned, I'll film more as I go along. Maddie found a bridge.
Where's the trolls? You alright?
Yep. That's right. Maddie's right alongside me. See, I'm not going solo. Don't worry. It's not like a wooden bridge.
No.
This is concrete. I'm gonna hop and I'm gonna pop. Oh no, that's Three Little Pigs. That's not the troll shows.
Billy Great Gruff?
Why do people have to do graffiti? I was telling us all about the sea berry, salt bush, snakes to be careful, but I don't think we have to worry about them today.
No.
I think it might be a little bit too cool for them. The only snake you have to worry about is the, what is it, the lolly snake. Yeah, I could have said, I know what she was thinking too. So now we're again at a quandary. Right or left? As I said, I've not been here.
Should we go left?
We're going left.
To the left, to the left.
I do apologise if I'm jostling you guys, but quite nice out here. Apparently it's not too hot, apparently it's not too cold. Not raining, even though we got some interesting clouds around, but that's okay. And got covers and all that sort of thing with us.
Just in case.
Well, if we see anything interesting, we'll as we go along. But, so beautiful out here.
Peaceful.
All you see is greenery and a psychedelic sort of one.
Tie-dye. Wheelchair off-roading with Shaz. It's so beautiful. Yes, never give up and always look for another option.
So this Lark Hill is
Port Kennedy. It looks a little soft up there, so make sure you go to the left side. It does.
I think we're going to come to a homestead eventually. Look what Maddie and I found. It's very interesting.
Wow.
Stay tuned to see what we discover. So far, we're doing good. We're going to go and explore that windmill thing up there, so stay tuned. Don, don, don. This bit looks a bit dodgy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I really don't want to risk it.
Might not be a risk it for the biscuit.
Unless you want to wander up with the camera.
Yeah, I'll do that.
It's filming. Okay. You got that.
One down.
I will stay here so you can film it and I can look at it later.
No going anywhere. This is the homestead. Bit of a hill. But looks like the brick walls. Lots of graffiti. And seems just down there's another pathway that you can't get up. Lots of graffiti, but we don't worry about that. Looks like an outhouse, but not an outhouse. Yeah. It used to be an old toilet, but it's a bit destroyed. Damn it. But wow. How beautiful. And the paths could not get up.
Another bridge to be explored. Well, there's...
Lovely.
Yeah, not too bad. Sorry about the wind, because that will probably annoy you if you've got headsets on. And that angry noise above us is a plane. But so far, we're doing this. Well, Maddie and I have done Lark Hill, and it was a great explore. We had some fun. Some bits is not wheelchair accessible unless you really got an off-roader, but awesome day. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Bow, bow.